Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I draw my trend lines and how you can draw your trend lines as well to see how they react to the market and how the movement goes towards trend lines. Okay, so to start off our analysis, we start off on our monthly chart. So here is where I start off. I start in my monthly chart right here. And then this is my monthly chart. So I am going to draw my trend line starting from the top part right here to the second touch that I can find. There we go. That's a second touch for me. Or this one can be my second touch. A secondary trend line that I can also draw here can be, I'm going to change the color, you guys. I forgot my colors. Oh, yellow. I'm going to start with yellow. I like keeping it the same at all times. So for the monthly chart, I am going to use the yellow color to remember also when I see this trend line and no. This trend line comes from the monthly chart. Okay, so I'm going to put another one here at the bottom. That and that. Those are my two trend lines for the monthly chart. We can take another one and put it over from here, the peak, to the bottom. This is how it went. Or you can say right here. That's how it went. So you could have said 1, 2 touch points, and you could have entered here a breakout. You could have entered a buy. That would have not went well for you. And then if you said, okay, I'm going to put it here, and you say I'm entering a buy on the breakout, in which it had a breakout, and now it's pushing up a red candlestick, as you guys can see here. It's pushing down a red candlestick. So your buy would have been short-lived also. This is just part of trading trend lines and how they work. So I did put in, I'm going to use only one trend line that for the top part and the bottom part. I'm going to go now to my weekly chart. For my weekly chart, I am going to be using the color blue. So as you can see, it's pretty marked down, but we can take a trend line from this point here up until that point. Let me just put it, I'll rearrange it. Okay. To this point here. That's my second touch point there. Or if I want to go most recent, which is also best, you guys. Most recent is best. So I can go there and say weekly. This is what has been happening. We were here and we are here now. Okay. Done. For the bottom part, we are looking for the most recent data. So the most recent data for us here on our weekly chart, let me just open this up. It's this point at the bottom here up until here. So look at those touches. Those are a lot of touches, huh? That's a 1, 2, 3 touch points for our weekly chart. I'm going to change the colors, you guys. We're using blue for this one. So we're taking our lovely blue right there. So this is how it's going to go. And then for the daily chart, Just opening up the daily chart now to do our analysis as well. So this is how you do it, you guys. And as you go on, you actually see that, oh, okay, we're actually in a downtrend. Oh, okay, we're actually in an uptrend. You get to see those things. You get to understand the market much better. So for the daily chart, we're using the color black. And as you can see, you guys, we're going to look for like the most recent touch points. And these, I would say this is the peak part here. This is the peak part there. Going to this one there. We're changing the color to black. And then at the bottom, as you can see, the recent marks, they've already been touched by the weekly trend line. So we only have one trend line for our daily trend line. Okay, fine. Now we're moving to our 4-hour chart. Our 4-hour chart, let's see what our 4-hour chart has for us. You guys can see it's been touched really, really well. Here you can just take a trend line and go to the upside. So the color of this trend line, guys, what we're looking for when we're drawing a trend line, we're looking for 2 touch points, okay? We're looking for 2 touch points at a time. So if you get more, that's like a hooray. And here I see like we got more here. And we're going to change this color to pink. That's a lot of touch points right there. And we're going to draw one here at the bottom as well. As you can see, look at that one. Just broke out. And look at the candlestick that broke out this trend line. It's huge, right? And then it went straight down. And then now I can put in my trend line right here because this is a swing low. So we put up our trend lines on swing lows and swing highs. That's what we call them. But for me, it's like those V. If there's a green and a red and those signs that, okay, it was red, 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 now it's green, 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 green. That is a swing low or is a swing high that goes to that direction. Okay, now we've placed our trend line for our 4-hour chart. We are also going to incorporate moving averages, guys. Okay, so we're just gonna click on this FX button right there. We're gonna put in an exponential moving average. Moving average, exponential, we want to put 2 of those. Okay, so what I usually do with these ones, I usually use a 20 EMA and a 200 EMA. But I'm going to use a 50 EMA right now to give us the most recent data. And I'm also going to change the colors. The biggest one, I am going to make red. No, the biggest one, I'm going to make blue. You can choose whichever color that you want, you guys. And then for the smallest, I am going to put red. Okay, it's because it's fast. It's red. It's fast. Yeah, so that I can remember, guys. You must make things that are easy so that you can easily remember what is happening. So the moving average are also going to help me to show me that, okay, if my 50 moving average, which is the blue line, is on top, then this is a downtrend. If the red is on top, then it is a uptrend. Okay, guys, this is how you do analyze a chart. It is quite simple, quite easy. And the fact that you use multiple trend lines, it makes it a lot easier. So now we know that all of our pressure is coming in here. We know that there is a monthly trend line, there is a daily, there is a weekly, there is even a 4 hour straight here on top here saying that the market must sell. So when you see the market touching there and creating a reversal candlestick, you have the advantage of saying, yes, I am definitely putting my sell right there and I am going hard, you know? So that's the thing, you guys. That's the thing. And trading is really not easy. I will not lie to you guys. It's not easy. I am not perfect at it yet. I can't even call myself a profitable trader yet. But I'm really, really working my ass off trying to learn this and sharing my journey with you guys as I go. Okay. So thank you guys so, so much for watching. I hope you understand a little bit of how to navigate and analyze your charts. Yeah, so we start from the monthly chart up until the 4 hour chart, and then we can look for entries in our 15-minute chart, or you can just enter on the same 4 hour chart, which works perfectly also. Yeah, thank you guys so so much for watching. I'll see you guys on another one. Bye.